Hey guys, I'm in a new place. I just moved again. This is the 5th place that I've been since I've been making YouTube videos. Been making YouTube videos for 11 years now. I have to keep moving every few years, so hopefully be able to be here a while. Anyway, a little bit nicer place, a little bit bigger kitchen here. So let me maybe show you the kitchen real quick, and basically I'm just going to keep this video real short. Just wanted to let you guys know what was going on. Alright, so give you guys a quick scan of the kitchen. Andy's under the covers over there on the chair. That's where she's hiding out. She's cold, so she hides under the covers. So this will be a lot bigger, nicer kitchen. This will probably be the best kitchen that I've had. So got room for my toaster oven there, and got my air fryer on that side. Got a lot more counter space here, and I have a gas stove, which is nice. I couldn't even use my stove in my other little place. It was so small and there was no counter space. So that's my kitchen right there. I'm just going to keep this short. I wanted to just show you guys what was going on. I have to get this edited before the sound dies on my computer, because I've been having issues with that for a while now. So anyway, I'm all moved, settled. Hopefully I'll be having some cooking videos up soon. So talk to you guys later.